Once you have 5 chains, you need to slip stitch into the first chain, yarn over and pull through both loops. Next we need to chain 3, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, and you should have 3 chains. Next we need to do 2 double crochet into the center of the circle you made, yarn over, into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops, yarn over and pull through the final 2. Again, yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your 2 double crochets. Chain 2, and this will make a corner in your mini granny square. Yarn over into the center of that circle again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then again we need another double crochet, yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we need a 3rd double crochet here, yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over into the 2, yarn over into the 2, yarn over, pull through for a chain, yarn over, pull for a chain, and that's 2 chains. And then we need another 3 double crochet into that circle. So that's 1, yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, that's 2 double crochet, yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's 3 double crochet. Chain 2 again for another corner, and then yarn over into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the center again, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the final 2, and another double crochet into that center circle, yarn over and pull through 2. So we're seeing the granny square forming here, and we need to now slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. If you need help with slip stitching, check out the YouTube tutorial. And there you have it.